If you're considering putting in solar, it can be a little, overwhelming. You've got to get an expert inspection of your home, decide how many solar panels you need and what type of panel, fill out all the permits and paperwork, get approval from local authorities and your utility, sign up for solar incentives, install the system, and get a final inspection. Wow, that's overwhelming. But guess what? It's our mission to get you the best possible deal on solar panels and installation and make the whole process of putting in solar a piece of cake. Here's how we do it. Step 1, we'll advise you on the optimum solar system to meet your budget and your goals, including maximizing on any solar incentives. Step 2, we'll inspect your home to ensure that your roof or other structure can support the panels and that your electrical system meets code. Step 3, we'll take care of all the permits and documentation for you and submit them to your local authorities and your utility company. We'll stay on top of the process to make sure everything goes as smoothly as butter on a piece of hot toast. Once we've got the big thumbs up, we'll be able to move on to Step 4. We'll install your solar system by thoroughly prepping the roof or other area, putting in the electrical wiring, racking, panels, and inverter. Step 5, we arrange for the final inspection of your new solar system from your local authority and your utility company so that we can switch your house to solar. Boy, that is just so satisfying! Want your piece of cake? Give us a call today.